everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a password in ChatGPT. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from us. Before we get started with the video, keep in mind that you cannot change a password through the website. So in order to change a password, please follow the following steps. So firstly, open up any web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in the URL www.openai.com/blog/chatgpt, and once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you will end up in the main page of ChatGPT. As you can see, the ChatGPT page has opened. Click on the Try ChatGPT button. It will take you to this page right here. Now, from the given two options, click on the login button and it will take you to the login portal of ChatGPT. Add in your email address and then click on the continue button. Now, in this page, you have to click on the forgot password button in order to change your password. Add in your email address once again and then click on the continue button. Now, a verification email will be sent to your email address. Go to your Gmail account and then open up this email right here. Tap on the reset password button and it will take you to this page. Now in this page, add in your password you want to change to in the given slots. Make sure that you choose a strong password so that your account remains secure. Once you're done adding in your password, click on the reset password button and that's it. Your password has now been successfully changed. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and goodbye till then.